Good job, baby.
So we did 3 eggs.
Yes, we did. We're
Now I
making
have
some
to go.
French toast, eggs, and bacon.
And please, I have to wash my hands after I literally
And the
cracked
coffee is brewing. Yummy. Is it yummy? You helped make the French toast and the eggs, Mama. Thank you
Me and
for your help.
woke up early at 7 o'clock.
And I
And
built
I-
a little bit.
She built some, the bottom, and I built all the rest.
Why'd you get that Lego set?
Because it spelled contribution.
And
Because
he
you
And I
all-
got my whole test right,
Yeah.
spelling test.
Yeah, good job. I'm so
Okay.
proud of you, baby.
And it came with the red truck, and then it came with this dinosaur.
I'm so proud of you.
Mom, look at one eye doesn't have a mark, and then the other eye has a blue mark.
let me see.
That's for sale?
Emily, did you have a good nap, Mama? We're here. Did you have a good nap, too?
Yeah, I didn't really know.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Excited? We're gonna see Sai Sai and Heart. Underwood Family Farm. We made it, Mama.
If we're running around, we're gonna get like home.
Yes, your cousins are here.
Where? I can't see that.
Well, you want to
Oh, that's so cool. The goat?
I would say that's a ram, though, because he has horns going back.
No rams or
You want to check out this
We got in. We're in.
Come on, let's go this way.
Alright, bud, we'll go. Alright. Have a good day, guys.
Just got to Underwood Farm.
hair, long beard, and
What's up, Mom?
blonde hair.
And there's so many people here.
Yeah, but we can't find on.
Say hi, Teal.
Hi.
Say hi, Everly. Are you guys, what are you guys most excited for?
The cat.
To see the pumpkins? What are you excited for?
I'm excited
I
to
don't
see
know.
my
To
cousins.
see your cousins, yeah. Yay! We found you! We found them!
Everly, do you like bunnies? Come.
Hi, Heart!
There's a bigger one.
Hi, Cyrus!
I mean,
You're such a cutie! Say hi, Nixie. Is that your cousin?
I want to see it.
We're checking out the animals. Hey guys!
Hey.
So we have to go get tickets.
No, we need tickets.
We need
to pet those goats.
Yeah, and the kids really want to go inside the petting zoo.
Ready, girls? Come on, Heart.
And then we're gonna hopefully see a pig race. And yeah,
Pumpkins.
yeah,
We need to take pictures with the pumpkins.
yeah. We need to get family pics first of all. And what else? Oh, tractor ride. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys along.
I have not done that. We'll see how.
Yeah, this is Solstice's first time. Who's excited to go in the petting zoo?
Me. Hey.
Look at that one. He has a black face.
Are you excited?
One of them has a black. You're monkey, bro. You're a monkey.
Hi, Silas. Are you guys excited? You need a brush? Look at this one. He wants a brush.
Oh, this guy's thick, bro.
Oh, they're so cute.
A big ear.
Oh, Dante likes the baby.
His little horn. The baby's cute. The baby.
We're standing in line to touch the guinea pig.
Yeah, even the bunny.
Is it bunny?
Yeah, over there.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait.
Yeah, you have to. Vamos.
Yeah.
Like bump.
Daddy, what's Daddy? So, go. So, go.
You got up for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's trying to eat.
How's this young?
It's a big thing like that.
Come on, Mark. Let's go. Nana's calling. Do you want to go see the big animals? The other one? Yeah? Let's go.
Can we see the animals?
Come on.
Do you see him? What are you guys doing? Where are we going, babe?
Hopefully it's little pigs. The pig race. Oh, it's nice back here.
Oh, cool. We can do a little better than that. How are you guys doing today?
Hands up!
Oh, it's nice and dark. And yeah.
Let's go, boys!
My God, look at her.
Woo! Let's go, Teo! Woohoo! Are you getting tired? Woohoo! Our kids are running around the side of the track. Now they're inside.
Get off the track!
And now the lady's telling them to get off the track. Where are these kids' parents at? right here. Yes! That was funny.
I know, and the ladies all looking around. Where the hell are they?
We don't know. We just let them do whatever they want. Yummy. That looks so amazing.
Take the first bite.
Did you just win that?
Yeah, I threw it in the hole and then I got it. That first try, I got Starburst.
Oh, good job though. High
Yeah,
five.
hold this star-
High five.
They are the cutest family
Oh
of my life.
Look at, they're literally walking behind us.
Oh my gosh. Babe.
Oh my god, it's awful.
Travis, what up?
Are you excited, everything? Wait here. Yeah? Wow.
She looks so cool, huh?
Yeah, it's coming out good. Yeah, are you excited, Mama? Go hard.
Toss it. Woo. You get one more. Do it like a frisbee.
Let's see. You got it last time, babe? You got it! Good job! Look, she didn't see it though. Aw, he won me a pumpkin.
Aw, I did.
So cute.
Bet you Travis didn't do that.
Fun?
Miss Ashley.
Did you have fun, Mama?
Yeah.
Did you have fun too?
Yeah, this is my pumpkin.
You won your pumpkin?
Look, we want to show you guys something. Hi, Kourtney.
Time for some islands. Woo woo! One of your favorites, huh, baby? You ready to eat? You guys ready to
Want
eat?
ketchup or anything? No, just get it. Eat it like that.
Alaska's family, bro.